Good morning, students. This is from Vittal Matriculations. I am your English teacher. Okay, all of you, how are you, students? All of you yet or not? You cannot eat mean first of all you go to eat in your food. Okay, now the COVID is also going on here. Okay, so uh, you you go to outside mean definitely you wash in your hand, so you are use sanitizer also. First of all you are also using sanitizer mean you put the sanitizer in your hand and just rough in your hand and fully rough in your hand, and you see the fingers, these fingers gap side you also fully wash in your hand. It's very important, this gaps, these are all the gaps side. What this is also here, you also using sanitizers mean, or you are all use soap. It's not a problem, guy. This mean definitely that this is also quickly go away. Okay, because of safety very important, so you are don't go outside, please stay home, stay safe. The COVID issue uh, going away after you come uh, our place side. Okay, outside of in your home. Okay, okay, students. Today we are see fourth standard English. Okay, today we are see fourth standard English. Okay, right. Yes, today we are see unit 1 term 1. The topic name is a world with robots. What the topic name is? A world with robots. Right, because of it's one of the interesting topic, right. uh, the story also we are completed. Yes, already we are see, these are all the we are already we are see. Yes, the book back exercise also we are see. Okay, we are all asked the question, sir, today what we see, sir? Why, guy? uh, Today we are see discuss about the my robot. What? Today we are see discuss about the my robot topic. Right, it's one of the delightful and interested poem. Okay, it's one of the interesting poem and like a singing song. Okay, you see the song. Yes, like a sun music or some music channels. That's one of the poem. Right. Okay, now we all see my robot. What? My robot. You like a robot? Yes, we are see the Endiran movie. Always the Endiran part 1, part 2. Yes, that is very intelligent robot, Right. So now we all see the my robot topic. Right. What? How many sensors also here? How many sensors also here? Yes, just I count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sensor also here, like that. Okay. Now we are see the first sensor. Just I read. Okay, first of all I read, after I tell what are all the examples. Okay, right. Please here listen properly, students. I have a robot big and strong. What? I have a robot big and strong, because that robot is very big as a song one. So just read. I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. What? I can one time read. I have a robot strong, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Are you clear? Okay, next we are to watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. It's one of the rhyming song, because this is first line. It is one of the nice rhyming lines they are mentioned. Okay, I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Okay, they are mentioned. Okay, big and strong. See, because why they tell about which the rhyming words mean? You see the this first line, because of the strong, strong, strong. Okay, how many strongs also here? One, two, three. Strong also here. The last word is one of the rhyming word. Ending words same way coming mean that's one of the rhyming word. Strong, G also here. Another one strong, G also here. Another one strong, G also here. So it is one of the rhyming words of the first line. Okay, so I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walk along with a nice rhyming song. Okay, it is so it is one of the very nice, interesting song. It's one of the what rhyming words. And now ask the question because of already tell about rhyming words. This sensor, which is the rhyming words also here? Yes, correct. Strong, along, song. One, two, three. The three words also rhyming words of this para. I mean this stanza. Okay. Are you clear? Once again I read mean I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Clear? Okay. Next we also see the second stanza. Second stanza or second para, but this also poem. So we are using only stanza. Okay. I have a robot small and tall, small and tall, small and tall. I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Because that robot is very smart. They are mentioned. So I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Because sweetly we are read mean I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Right. Okay. Uh, Watch now how it welcome all with a nice greeting call. You see the first line? Yes, you are all see tall, tall, smart, smart. It because of the end word is t, t. The same way of finishing to this line. So it's one of the rhyming words. So they are mentioned. Okay, I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Because of that, robots also very intelligent. You know that. Okay, so they are mentioned smart and tall. uh, you see watch now how it welcome all. They are welcome to the dear side. Okay, with a nice greeting call. Greet call mean they are called dear side. You call mean hello. You are attend the phone mean hello, that's a call. Welcome mean welcome, that's one of the call, that call. Okay, they are meant they are mentioned I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcome all with a nice greeting call. Right. Okay, are you clear? See which is the rhyming words of here? Correct. Tall, all, call. It's also rhyming words of here because of L, L, L. The three lines ending place L also coming here. So it is one of the rhyming words. Okay. Next we are see 1, 2, 3. The third sensor. Okay. Just listen. It has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. They are mentioned. Once again I read. It has wheels go from. It has wheels go front and back, front and back. See front and back. Okay. Which is these are also one of the rhyming words. Wheels you see front and back K, front and back K, front and back K. These are also one of the rhyming words of here. Right. Watch now how it keeps the sack. Watch now how it keeps the sack. In very little rock. Okay, it's very little rock. We see which is the rhyming words of this answer. Yes. See. The first line stanza is back because of K also here. Back also one of the rhyming word. Another one back also rhyming word. You see another one words back. The three also one of the rhyming words of here. Next we are see. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rock, because of it is the rhyming words. See the first line, back, sack, rock. Because of end line, the k also coming here, so 1 2 3, the three words are rhyming words are here, right? Now we are see the final sense are also balance here, okay. Final sense are also here. Yes, now I just read. uh, Never it takes food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. How fastly it mean? Never I take food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how it works it best with all some just. Okay, once again, never it takes food and test, food and test, food and test. Watch now how it works it best with all some just. Okay, the first line Z, which is the answer, takes, sorry, rest. Yeah, rest is one of the rhyming words because of T also here, rest, rest, rest. 1 2 3, again and again coming to the rest only. Okay, rest, st, 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 because of it is one of the rhyming words of here. Watch now how it works it best with all same just. Just means one of the experience. You see, zest is just, it's one of the experience. Okay, are you clear? I ask the question to you, which is the rhyming words of this stanza? Yes, rest. You see, rest, best, just. Because of T also coming here, So 1 2 3, the same as ending finishing of word T also coming here. So it's one of the rhyming words. Okay, 1 second and read fully. Okay, I have a robot big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Second sentence, I have a robot smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcome all with a nice gritty call. It has wheels, go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in very little rock. Okay, never it takes food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. Watch now how it works its best with all same just. Okay, are you clear, students? Right. Okay. Next we all see the glossary. See glossary. What? How many words also here? Yes, strong. See, watch, smart, rack, chest. I can't one second I read. Strong, watch, smart, rack, just also here, right. Strong mean, you see, strong. See, bold man, bold, that's not the strong. You see, strong, powerful, so the powerful man. Yes, powerful man, I mean a healthy person, powerful. Strong mean powerful, right. Next, watch mean, you see, look at or observe attentively. What? ATTEN, ATTEVELY, attentively. Watch mean like your home side you see the TV, I mean television. That's you see mean watch the TV. I see TV, I watch TV. That's same words. Okay, so watch, look at, see, look at or observe attentively, right. Okay, clear, right. Next we are see smart. You are the smart boy, smart girl. That's one of the engagement word. I mean motivate word. Okay, smart. Smart mean fashionable, because of like a stylish one, fashionable. Okay, smart mean fashionable. That is what the stylish one. They are mentioned fashionable. Okay. Next we are see what is balance of here. Yes, rock. It's a rock singer. Yes, rock. It's meant by self or stand. Self or stand, it's one of the rock. Okay, finally we all see just, zest, just, it's one of the great interest. Okay, I mean, just like that, it's mean by experience. And one of the word, just mean experience. They are mentioned closer beside great and interest. Okay, one second I read. Strong, powerful, watch, look, look at or observe attentively. Smart, fashionable, rock, self stand, just, great interest. Okay, these are all the closer area of my robot topic. Are you clear? Okay, students. Today class over. Uh, s- See you. Bye bye. See you next day. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home. Okay. Bye bye.